Hello all. So I'm going to continue with the explanation of the rest of the active and passive voice when they are given in different tenses. Okay. So today I'm going to discuss about the active voice when it is in present continuous tense. Okay. So it is very easy to understand when we are explaining something with the help of an example. Okay. So I'm going to follow the same. So children, in active voice, if I am writing Priya is, I hope you are fine with the tenses now. Okay, Priya is writing a letter. Okay, so Priya is writing a letter. Here it is in present continuous tense. Okay, Priya is the subject. Okay, जब भी किसी सेंटेंस में is and are plus verb ing form लगता है तो that is in continuous form. Okay, so Priya is writing a letter. Here Priya is the subject. Okay, it is the helping verb, writing is the verb, and a letter, it is the object. Okay, so how to change this active voice when it is in the present continuous tense? So here a letter, Priya is writing a letter. So now this object will take the place of the subject, so it will be a letter is, okay, a letter is being, हम क्या ऐड करते हैं, being, a letter is being written. I told you that in the passive voice we use the third form of the verb, so you should be thorough with the third, all the forms of the verbs. Okay, is being written by Priya. Okay, or in other words I can say that it is the object plus is ya are. We have to use this helping verb according to the numbers. Okay, if it is in singular, the object is in singular or plural. Okay, is, are plus being plus verb's third form plus by plus subject. I will take one example when the object is in plural form, that also I am going to explain you. Okay, so object is or are plus being plus verb's third form plus by plus subject. Remember, again and again I am repeating, you don't have to change the tense in active and passive voice. Okay, if the active voice is in present tense, present continuous or past tense, the tense will not change. Okay, because most of the children get it wrong, because what they do when they change active voice into passive voice, they make mistake while like they change the tense as well. Okay, so don't do that, kindly understand the concept. Okay, now a letter is being written by Priya. If I will take one example where the object is like in plural form, like Priya is writing letters. Okay, so now letters are in plural form. Okay, so here letters are the letters are the object here. So now when it will take the place of the subject, here it will be letters. Now letters are in the plural form, so we will not use is, we have to use are. Okay, because are is used for the plural form. Okay, letters are being, and rest we have to follow the same format. Letters are being written by Priya. Okay, so this is the way you have to change an active voice which is given in this present continuous tense into passive voice. Okay, I hope you are okay with the explanation. Then kindly hit the like button.